the second exercise, we are going to create a horizontal search bar using Vlookup. We start by selecting the lookup value, which in this case is the product ID, and then select a value under product ID to be our lookup value. I'm going to select A3, but you can select any value of your choice. Now we apply the Vlookup formula below. To apply the Vlookup formula below, we start by clicking the equal sign, which is how you start writing a formula in Excel. You then type Vlookup, click enter, and then select the lookup value, which for this example is A3. You then select the table array, which is the entire table. What the table array does is to look up a match for the lookup value in the selected area and return a matching value. And in this case, the table array is the entire table, so we highlight the entire table. Now then click comma and move on to the next step. Now, the next step is to add the column index, which is the value at which column the formula is going to return. It is numbered according to the table array. So the first column is for the product ID, the second column for the product name, and so on and so forth. I then click on true, as I want the product name of A3 to be visible. This will make sure that the product name of A3 is what is returned. Now add a last comma for the last step. This step is to choose whether you want the value returned to be true, which is an approximate match, or false, which is an exact match. We are going to type false to make sure the names are an exact match. Now close brackets, enter. This now automatically returns the product name of A3. And if you select another product ID, let's say A10, it will automatically switch the product name of A3 to that of A10. Now for the rest, we do the same thing we did for the product name, except changing the column index number to correspond to the appropriate column. Now, to make sure that it works, you can input any value in the product ID column to see if it returns the corresponding values on the same row. That is the power of Vlookup, making it easier to arrange corresponding values and making data searches in vertical table more efficient and reducing the chance of manual errors.